This is day 7 of the $500 to $1,000 account challenge trading options. And the majority of the options I've been playing are oil, and then the overall market, the Russell and USO. I'm using the ETFs, and I'm using the actual commodities contracts on the futures. Um, and this didn't make any much money today. It was up and down, up and down. So what I did is I sold out of some plays, and I added some more plays, some more plays that are a higher probability of winning, but nothing's 100% sure. It's all statistics and the best guess and learning your skills and but this is kind of impressive. I'm just looking back. Um, if I look back, technically I turned $100 into 600, but it's not, since I'm doing baby steps. I don't realize what I'm doing, and I can always scale up, but the problem is I scaled up before and didn't work out, so I'm still going slowly up, and then I might just start with another $500 just to not be tempted to lose. But I've been tempting on not this particular challenge, because I'm keeping Robinhood separate. And what I did is I'm trading I trade oil futures, and I'm trading wheat, and I made a good profit. See, earlier today that my this corn futures was up over $400, right? But the fluctuation of the market. But we still have 17 days left, for corn futures to stay between 640 and 905. So if we look at the see how far. See, I have a super wide one on the bottom, and I have a credit spread on the top, and I got two of these because I think it's not going to go down. The price of corn is not going to go down anytime soon. I mean, even if it goes down 10-20%, it's still not going to reach this 640. So that's my methodology on that. And then my next play is natural gas. You can see my positions here. This is oil. If I break it down, that's corn. This is wheat, ZW. This is oil. This is another oil. This is the April contract. All right. If you can see, this is the March, and this is the April contract. On the April contract, I don't want, because I think the Russian Ukraine deal, I think oil is going to keep going up. So I did an iron condor, and I capped my buffer zone at 170 per barrel on the April contracts. But on the more recent one, my buffer is $135 a barrel. So I'm kind of scary about this one, even though we're right now, this is live. It's 6 p.m. and futures still trade 24. So right now we're making 25 out of the $300 possible profit. Or actually, that's not right. That's probably $150 profit, because it's a tick value, so I have to realize. But I think it may be $300. Anyways, this is the one I'm banking on. Since it has such a wide cushion, I think this will. But we have 17 days, baby. Anyways, I want to do. And then I have this random play here. I always play random plays. This is like a lotto pick. This one costs $85, and I'm losing 47. So all my trades are not winners, but most of them are. I mean, they've been all this year. So. Except for the very beginning of the year, I lost some money, and I've already recovered it already this week. So that's it. My next play, is gonna be natural gas, because I think what I'm reading and who I'm hearing on the news, it's just some hunch that the Russian economy is not gonna be in good shape, and they're probably not going to be able to support the natural gas needs of maybe Europe and all that, you know. So that's just my hunch. So I might be playing a see how the last, just these are days. So it's like if you can figure that's 5, 10, 15, like the last 20 days. So I'm going to look at this 20 days back here at February 11th, February 13th area, and I'm going to sell a put down here, 3 say 3,880. See if there's a 3,880. There it is right here. So, and see how that. See, this is super safe though. It's not even going to make any money. Just based on the price here. So I'm going to try to find a. So you have to go to our maximum buying power or collateral is going to be 4 to make 20, so it's not good enough for me. I'm looking at least $40 to $50 and make at least 10%. And the sweet spot's probably 20 delta. See these deltas here? The sweet spot's 20, but I might go a little bit lower. That's more than 10%, right? 80 for 400. Yeah, that's a good one right there. So I might play this when I cash out of my corn play. I'm predicting this has 1780 left, so I'm thinking this may jump up to $400 again. Who knows? But these are risky if you do not know what you're doing, and you have to watch. I'm watching my screen every second, and you don't have to watch it every second. I put some alerts in. If it falls the wrong way on my cushion, that's it. On my other account, I have a goal on this account. On this account, I have a goal of, I don't know. I think I have a goal of 500 profit on this account, and I've almost reached it already. So, but on my $500 to $1,000 account challenge using options, I'm just using this Robinhood, and I'm keeping this money separate. So that's my goal. After I get rid of the corn play, these plays should bring us up to over $700 to $800. This should bring it up to. That's it. That's my progress so far. I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm pretty confident this is gonna be over 1,000. I don't know, what day is it? Yeah, if we get full 3 trading weeks, I think it will be good. It'll be over 1,000. So that's my guess. That's my hope. All right, bye.